Hey guys, Dave from Daze Glory Shopworks here. As promised, getting ready to do some rough blocking tonight. Gonna get my air line sander out so I can buck this down and get after just basically paying attention to the body lines and where the level is gonna be. If that goes good, then I'll be switching over to 180 grit on my block sanders and keep on trucking. I assume I'm gonna have to add some more filler as I go, but let's see what happens. See all these little lumps. I hope you can see them. Last night when you saw the last video, I had taped my body line to here, but I didn't cut it. So when I opened the door to get the filler in, I pulled my line off, and just putting down the filler board with the mixed filler on it for that minute was the difference between it staying good and getting hard. So there will be some definitely a little attention to more filler work, but you know, stuff happens. All right, let's get after it and see if we can make a mile on this project. Here we go. Alright, well, that was fun while it lasted. Looks like I've got a bit of a problem with the old IR. Probably just have to lube it and maintenance it a little bit. It did this to me before several years ago, but it's a heck of a good unit, so I'm sure it's just something simple. But that pretty much stopped me for tonight. As you can see, I found pretty much a level. This is still a little high right here, and just a touch high here, so that's good. Finally, so that's good. Finally, I can attack it by hand now if I want to, which I think I will. Even this rough stuff over here, still have to apply a little bit there just to dress that out, and a few little spots here and there. But it's all smaller areas now. I got the main badness done. So yeah, that's where we're gonna leave her. Thanks for following along. Hope you enjoy seeing my car unfold as I do. And anyway, if you want to, feel free to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have other content aside from just the Dodge Dart day in and day out. And I hope you look forward to it, because I do. I got a lot of plans coming up, and with the nice weather coming, we're gonna do okay. So yeah, have a good night, everybody. Thanks for watching.